Good morning to my friends and esteemed judge. Start. Nowadays, populism has become a fancy buzzword that is often confused with related concepts such as Euroscepticism and nativisms. Widespread definition of populism as a phenomena that considers a society to be ultimately separated into homogeneous and antagonistic groups, the pure people versus the corrupt elites, and which argues that politics should be an expression of a general will of a people. The success of populist parties not only depends on a demand for their stance. These parties often gain momentum when the background conditions change in their favor. The change in structure of political conflicts and political and economic crises are the major reasons in the rise of populism or populist parties. Implications of rising populism for democracy are complex. Some of implications are erosion of democratic institutions, second, short-termism, polarization, etc. Populist parties are commonly identified based on their consistent opposition to elites and their radical support for the pure people. In conclusion, while populism can serve a mechanism for amplifying the voice of marginalized or disenfranchised groups and addressing legitimate grievances, its impact on democracy depends largely on how it is manifest and the responses it elicits from political institutes and civil society. Thank you.